Welcome to the exciting world of home labs. No matter what class you're taking, science experiments at home are an adventure. But before we get to the fun stuff, let's talk about something vital: lab safety. The basics.
If you're under 18, you need a parent or guardian to supervise. Sorry, no exceptions. Your pet dog doesn't count as an assistant, even if he wears glasses and looks smart. Adults, your job is to observe and help if needed, not to start your own lab project on the side.
Setting up your space. Pick a safe, clean workspace. And no, your table covered with snacks is not ideal. Your space should be free of food, drinks, and distractions. Bonus points if it has a window or a fan for ventilation, especially if your experiment involves odors or chemicals.
Dress for safety. Safety first, fashion second. Closed-toed shoes, long pants, gloves, and goggles are your new lab besties. And don't forget to tie back long hair, unless you want to discover how fast it burns. Spoiler alert, it's very fast. Chemical and material safety. Always read the label twice. Whether you're handling environmental samples, reagents for DNA extraction, or dissection materials, double check what you're working with. Mixing the wrong stuff? Yeah, let's not. And when handling hot objects, don't be a hero. Use heat-resistant mitts or gloves, because no one wants a surprise science lesson on burns.
Anatomy lab mishap. Handling specimens? Gloves are non-negotiable, and washing your hands afterwards is just common sense. Remember, it's not just about staying clean, it's about staying healthy. Proper specimen disposal. Whoa, hold up! Preserved specimens don't belong in the trash like yesterday's lunch. Always check your lab manual for disposal instructions. Some specimens require special handling, like sealing in a labeled bag before disposal. Emergency preparedness. Let's talk emergencies. Spill something? Don't panic. Gloves on, clean it up right away, and dispose of it properly.
Happy ending. Science is all about discovery, but safe science is the best kind of science. Whether you're studying cells, organs, or ecosystems, remember to follow the rules, use common sense, and enjoy the process. Now go make some amazing discoveries.